Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be a get ready with me and a vlog all in one. I'm going for my senior graduation pictures today, and I just finished up doing junior year on cyber school, and I'm now going into senior year, which is my last year of high school. Super excited to finally finish. But apparently you take your pictures with your cap and gown before senior year, but after you finish junior year, so like in the middle. I didn't know that. I thought you took them at the end of your senior year, so like after you're actually finished with high school. But no. And I'm going to be doing some natural glam, so probably just like some really glam eyelashes and some eyebrows. I don't want to do any face makeup because I don't want the chance of any flashback, because my mom said these are the pictures that like follow you throughout your life apparently, so like I don't really have to look like their best. I'm going to be curling my hair as well. I was debating on whether I should leave it straight or curl it, but I think I'm going to curl it just because that looks more elegant, and I wear straight hair every day. I have to be careful because I'm gonna have a cap on, so like I can't do like a half up, half down, or any hairstyle that's involving the top of my head. Also, I went and got my nails done yesterday because my mom said that I might be like holding some objects like my diploma, so my nails might show, so I got them done just in case. So here's the footage from yesterday. So I just finished up with my nails, and I ended up going with just plain gray because I was gonna get white, but then I realized that my gown was gonna be white, so I didn't want the colors to clash on top of each other. And I just got medium length with the coffin style. I still have no idea what I'm wearing because you could bring like a change of an outfit, but you have to pay extra for like multiple pictures, and I didn't really want to take extra pictures anyway, even if they were free. So I'm just going to be bringing one outfit, and then I'm going to be taking pictures with the cap and the gown as well. Also, whenever I have my hair curled, people always ask how I do it and what curling iron I use. This is the Z-Lite curling iron. It comes with like different attachments, so if you want like bigger, looser curls or like tighter, bouncier curls. I got it really cheap off of Amazon. I didn't mention the date. It's Monday, June 17th, and it's currently 9:05. I have to be in the auditorium at my school at 10 o'clock. So I'm probably going to leave here around like 9:45ish. It takes like 10-15 minutes with traffic to get to my school. Something that I'm really glad for is I got my braces off just in time for my senior pictures. Today it is actually exactly 1 month that I got them off. Okay, so I am now finished curling my hair, and it looks kind of weird without a side part. That's just because I'm used to having a side part like all the time. My filming light was down so low that whole time, but I also want to put some John Frieda frizz cream on the top because it's a bit frizzy from sectioning it. Okay, so that is my hair all done. I don't really have to do anything else to it because you're not really going to see it if I do like a certain style. So I'm just going to move on to my makeup. I'm going to first do my eyebrows. As I was curling my hair, I was trying to figure out what my outfit would be. My sister said that dark tones are like a tradition apparently. I didn't know about that. So I saw what she wore for her pictures, and I still don't know what to wear. I was thinking like a white dress, but then I thought like my gown's a white dress, so like it wouldn't really look like a different outfit. So then I picked out like a black cardigan because it's kind of like casual. I'm just going to clean up under the brow a little bit with this facial razor because I didn't wax my eyebrows recently, so they're getting a little bit bad. And then setting that in place with my Wet n Wild Stay Clear Brow Gel. I have been sneezing so much lately, and I don't think I'm getting sick. I think it's just like allergies or something. But like it's really annoying. I think I got it from Andrew because he was sneezing like 20 times a day. And now he's not anymore, and I am. So thanks, Andrew. I'm probably just going to go with my favorites, the Eyeliner Platinum Princess Lashes. As I was looking for my scissors, I looked in the mirror and found a straight piece of hair. How cute. Now we have to turn this back on and hope that it curls. Yeah, no. Okay, so we'll wait a bit, but we'll put it like right here so we can see it. Lashes are really dramatic, but like I'm not doing any crazy eyeshadow or anything, so I have to make up for the fact that like my face is gonna look bare. Really hope I don't have to do like different angles because I have one good angle and it's right here. Like from here, like my nose like covers my eye, but like when I look this way it doesn't cover my eye. So like I don't know why. Like, do you know what I mean? The lashes went smoothly. This is the first time in my whole entire life that I put on lashes and neither of my eyes watered. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara to blend that in. I need to get a new one of these because it's starting to dry out for some reason. I don't even use it that much. And it's not that old, so I don't know why it's like getting stiff. I'm pretty sure that is it for my lashes. I'm going to put on some chapstick and then also just put on like a little bit of skin serum just because I want something on my face. For my face today, I'm going to be going in with the Lumineux Glow Boost Essence Skin Serum. This works really good and it's like a mini travel size. I don't have the full version, but I really want to buy it. It works really good and it's super hydrating on the skin. It hydrates, gives a perfect glow to your skin, and it also has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which is super good for your skin. It's actually my sister's, that's why it's a travel size, but I need to get the full version. And then I'm just going to put on some High Gloss Conditioning Lip Oil by Pink. I've been loving this product so much. I got it during their semi-annual sale, and it looks like a lip gloss, but it feels and hydrates your lips like a chapstick. Because whenever I wear just chapstick, it makes my lips look like greasy and feel slippery. But this is like a chapstick but looks like a lip gloss, basically. I was thinking about doing just like maybe a little bit of concealer to conceal my dark circles. But like, I don't know. I don't want to risk anything because it's going good so far. So I'm not going to mess with it. I haven't worn foundation or concealer or like powder or any face makeup in probably like 2 or 3 months. Like, I've just been focusing on eye makeup for a while, and I've really been liking it. My skin has been really improving, and like, I always used to wear foundation because I thought my dark circles were so bad, but when I stopped wearing makeup, it kind of like made me notice that they're actually not that bad, and I have just like been focusing on it too much, so like it gets brought out more than it actually is, you know? Okay, so it's 10:40, later than I thought. I finished my hair and my makeup and everything. I really just have to focus on my outfit, but like, we have to hurry up. Also, my camera's on low battery right now, which usually isn't a problem because I have 2 batteries, so once one dies, I like swap them out on the charger. But I lost my second battery, so once this one dies, it's dead. I'm just gonna wear these light ripped jeans from Hollister. Okay, so my camera died and it's currently 9:45. I don't know if my shoes are gonna be in my picture or not. That's what I'm trying to pick out now because I ended up going with a black sweater cardigan with just like a gray tank top and the ripped jeans that I showed you. But all I own are like sneakers. And like cardigans are like for fall, I know that. And like usually I would wear boots with that, but like boots for a picture, you know, like that's kind of whack. So I'm just gonna go with these like high-heeled combat boots, which I think are fine if they have to show my feet, but like let's hope they don't. Okay, so this is my final outfit. I honestly think it's fine. I actually really like it. Also, you guys, it is 9:50 as you can see, and we have to go. In my new car, there's like a little place for my phone to be sat down. In my old car, you couldn't do that, so whenever I need to like vlog quickly with my phone, that's like really convenient. So that works out. Do I have water in here? I don't have water in here. In my old car, I would have had water. I really need to start putting like everything that was in my old car in this new car because I didn't have a charger the other day and my phone died. If any of you guys watching this video saw my video where I went back to school, I think that was like a couple weeks ago for finals, I didn't know where to park and I still do not know where to park because I never found the guest parking. And I don't think I need one of those tag thingies anymore because like school's over. So like even if I go there as a student, people aren't gonna have the tags. So I'm just gonna like park where I did last time, which was right in front of the building. Pretty sure last time when I went for finals, I actually ended up parking in the teacher's parking by accident. So that's great. Alright, so we're here. It's 9:57. Really not a single person here, bro.
on here is Diva.
So she had me take a couple with my outfit that I have on right now for the yearbook, and then she put on my cap and gown, which was white, and that is for my senior pictures. And when she put the cap on, I loved how my hair looked a lot, so I really think that I'm gonna like the pictures, which I'm really happy about, because I thought that the pictures in the yearbook would turn out fine with like my outfit, but I didn't know how the gown and cap would look on me. But I think it looked fine. She kept giving me a mirror so I could like recheck myself. She was super nice, and she just like explained things like easily. Like usually when I take pictures and they say like tilt your head this way, like turn this way, like I'm always like turning the wrong way and like doing the wrong thing. But like it was quick, it was simple, and we're all good. The pictures were not how I thought they were gonna be at all. I thought like they were gonna have everybody sit in the auditorium, but like no, you just go in, you sign in, and then they call your name. And as soon as I got there was nobody else there, so I don't know if I was early or late, but it's 10:30 now when I'm getting out, so it was really in and out, and yeah, nobody was like there, so that's good because I was hoping nobody would. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what grade you're in or what grade you're going to be going into. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all of my post notifications so you can get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.